Hi folks, welcome to the world of Python programming language. So here we can look about what is Python programming language, how to become a Python developer, and is it worth learning Python programming language, and what will be the annual salary of Python developers, how to become a Python developer. So that will be showcased for you with roadmap. So first is like introduction to Python. So what is Python programming language? So Python is the simplest of all the programming language, which is easy to learn. So for example, if you are from the mechanical stream, in the sense it is very easy to start your career into IT segment by learning Python programming language. Also, it is a high level programming language and it is an object oriented programming language. First point. Second, Python is an interpreted programming language. It was founded by Judino von Rossum. Next, Python is a open source general purpose multi-platform programming language. So it is a open source. If you need folks, you can also download that particular thing and you can just use it up. So next is like easy to interface with C, Objective C, Java or Fortran. See, for example, if you have created your applications with the help of this programming languages, C, Objective C, Java or Fortran, in the sense definitely you can just interface all the things to Python programming language. Easy to interface with C++ using Swig. So it is an extensible and you can use n number of modules, that is like built-in functions which is introduced in the Python programming languages. So what are the applications which are created with the help of Python programming languages? Like, first and foremost is like web and internet development. In the sense you can create your own website with the help of Python with different frameworks. Second thing is like desktop GUI application, that is graphical user applications. Third is like scientific and numeric calculations. This will be helpful only for mathematical business math students and all. So third is like software development and educational industries, business applications, games. You can definitely create a game with Python programming language. Also, the 3D graphics and all can be created with Python. So next is like network programming. Last and foremost is like database access. Everything can be done with the help of Python programming language. So companies using Python. Why do top companies like Uber, Netflix, and YouTube are using Python? See, if you take YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever social medias, there you will be using hashtags. So hashtags plays a vital role. See, for example, based on the hashtags, I can just denote how many likes I got or how many views I got, who are my followers, who has not followed me but watched my particular reel or a post. Like all the stuffs will be generated based on the hashtags. So based on this, these topmost MNC companies have created a particular tool with the help of Python. So this tool helps us like to collect all this informations or data kind of stuffs, and it will be showcasing us. So for this only, the topmost MNCs such as Netflix, Uber, and YouTube is using Python programming language. So next is like, okay, you got a doubt like only core Python is okay to get a job. Okay, for example, if I learned Python, I tend to say like I just only know core Python, whether I will be getting a job? Definitely no, because if I know Python, there are n number of streams which I need to choose. For example, I need to choose, I need to go as a data scientist, so I need to learn data science with Python, or else I need to go into an web development using Python. In the sense, definitely I need to know some of the frameworks. There is Django, Flask, or blah 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 steps. So it plays a vital role. At this point, you need to you need to decide whether I need to go as an data scientist or a web developer using Python. So here, Django framework. If you need to go as an web developer, in the sense with Python programming language, definitely this will be helping you out. Django framework. With the help of Django, you can create a website literally with Python programming language, and Python as a backend. So why Django is playing an important role? Why Flask is not there and rest of the things? So what are the advantages of Python? So here the batteries are included framework. Batteries in the sense I can get the third party API which will be helping me. For example, I can just log in with the help of my Facebook account or Gmail account or other accounts. Second is like CDN connectivity, better CDN connectivity which is offered by Django framework. And third is like implemented in Python. It is very easy to implement in Python. Also, it is a rapid development. Rapid development in the sense I can just say, it will be developed within around a month or so. For example, it is since it is a very big web applications in the sense. Next is like fast processing. Fast processing in the sense the execution time to load the particular website is very speed, and it is a secured even. Next is like speed. The website speed is ultimate and it is a versatile, and advantages to the customers. Advantages to the customers in the sense they will be they can just log in with their Gmail, Facebook, and other accounts as well. Next is like it is a secured one and it is fully loaded in the sense I can just tend to say it is fully loaded with a number of libraries which and all is required in the sense I can just definitely take out that and I can just use in my particular projects. And what are the top Django applications which has been developed and which has been in live as of now? So first is like YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, Firefox, Pinterest, etc. So these are the Django apps which is being created with Python Django combination and which has been in live, even the Dropbox. Next is like jobs in Python. So okay, if you tend to choose Python with Django framework, how will you get the job? So first is like first topmost goes for AWS. Second comes the Django here. So Django plays a vital role over here too as a Python developer. And what you will be getting the average salary. So average salary for Python developer in India is somewhere around 4,27,000 around. So what will you learn in HX technology if you take Python and Django framework in the sense? Initially you will be starting with Python. Next it will be like HTML, CSS, and Bootstraps. So that falls under the front end category. There you can just create designs and navigation bars and rest of the things can be created with the help of HTML, CSS, and Bootstraps. And Django framework you will be learning, and with the help of API you will be creating a complete project. So this is the thing which you will be learning at HX Technology if you choose Python Django framework. So all the best for your career, folks. Thank you.